To turn on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra screen with a double tap gesture, you have to enable double tap to turn on screen feature. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap motion and gestures. And then tap the gray on off switch next to double tap to turn on screen until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, turn off the screen. To easily turn the screen on, double tap on it like this. As you can see, the screen turns on automatically. With the double tap to turn on screen feature is on, you can quickly wake your screen just by double tapping it. No need to press the power button, making it easier to check notification or the time at a glance. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.